Hey everyone, Gil here for Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today mini, I want to talk to you about something that a lot of people are relying too much on for the electronics instead of the old school ways. And that is brain aid. And those of you who are new to the channel are going to go, what? When I'm talking about brain aid, I'm talking about something that aids your brain when you have that brilliant brainstorm idea and you don't want to forget it. Now, recently, my daughter had her cell phone go on her, and the only thing she didn't lose on it were her contacts because she had those uploaded to Google Contacts or something like that, which personally I don't like because I don't think Google should have that information to begin with anyways. But she lost all of her notes, all the notes she's been taking on her kids and stuff. She lost it all. So that gets back to brain aid. And what I've been saying from day one doing these is brain aid is something to aid your brain so you don't forget stuff. And that is simple. Going old school is a notebook, pencil, or pen. And if you're really thinking about it, pencil, you know exactly how much you got left in it. With a pen, you can be writing along, all of a sudden it goes dry on you. But this is old school way of doing it. You write down you carry this around with you, and you write down your idea when you have it. And when you're actually writing something down, people tend to be more creative and can expand upon their dream or idea. But if you're in there typing away on a phone, people get, bouncing around the way the keyboard is and stuff. They don't develop the creativity they do as much as they do when they're writing it. So think about this for your prep for today. Keep a notebook and pencil on you at all times, so when you do have that brilliant idea to help you out with your preps, you can write it down.